being on the computer.
Oh yeah, that's exciting. I bet you if we bought like a iPad and microwaved it, we can make some serious money. Just like come up with some antics to make it more interesting. I bet you we could make some serious money. We'd probably make $1,000.
Maybe I should put this phone in the microwave.
Put your Samsung Galaxy in the microwave.
Why?
Yeah. Just get a fire extinguisher.
It's gonna mess the microwave up.
Get a second microwave just for you'll make the money back off putting on YouTube.
It could like explode or
That's
catch on
true.
fire.
Yeah, the house is worth more than what we get from YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Well, I'm serious. People make a lot of money off of YouTube.
If I record you and put it on YouTube, then I might make a lot of money.
Yeah, right.